The eco-worthy PV combiner box EWC-4 is designed for easy installation, featuring a user-friendly mounting system that requires no key for access, making it highly convenient for solar panel connections. Equipped with a 250-volt 63-ampere PV DC circuit breaker, this combiner box efficiently handles multiple PV arrays with a maximum input current of 10 amperes per array. Its robust construction includes a lightning arrestor and an IP65 waterproof rating, ensuring optimal protection and suitability for outdoor applications such as solar systems and recreational vehicles. The box supports single PV connections with a maximum current of 10 amperes and a voltage of 250 volts direct current, accommodating varying solar panel configurations up to 1,600 watts in a 48-volt system. EcoWorthy's reputation for durable quality is evident in this product, backed by professional customer service and a legacy of trust as one of the pioneering brands in PV combiner boxes on Amazon. With its compact dimensions and sturdy build, the EcoWorthy PV combiner box EWC-4 is an excellent choice for enhancing the efficiency and safety of your solar power setup.